Such a beautiful November day. Temperatures on the way to the 60s in Austin. Not far from that level already. Here's a look outside with our Lewis Donato camera. Just a thin veil of cirrus clouds and plenty of blue peeking through. And we had some beautiful coloring at sunset last night with just the right amount of cirrus clouds to do that. Little refraction of light. Great coloring, interesting texture. Beautiful way to end the day. This is a picture from last evening. Michelle Eichhorst in Rochester snapped that picture, and I have no doubt that again tonight we will see something very similar with that beautiful coloring and such a mild evening. It won't be quite as warm overnight tonight as it was last night, though. Look at these temperatures going back to midnight. 40s all night long. Keep in mind the average low this time of the year, overnight temperature 25 degrees. Typical high 39. We were nowhere close to 39 for the high temperature. We've been warmer than that all day long, and today we're cruising right to the 50s right now. Here's a live look outside with our Lewis Donato camera here in Rochester. 55 at this hour. Austin 57. It's 58 in Mason City. Winona 59 at this hour. We're on our way to the 60s in a few spots. Rochester certainly will be close. The one limiting factor will be a cold front. Winds have swung around more to the west. That tells us the front's getting close. Once it does come through, it'll be more northwesterly wind, and temperatures will kind of level off with that sunshine balancing out that slightly colder air coming in. And overnight tonight, you can bet it won't be nearly as warm as last night. Right now, just a fairly gentle breeze, 14 miles per hour. Certainly a lot lighter than the winds we had yesterday. Winds across the area, 15, 16 miles per hour. Behind the front, only around 10 miles per hour. So it's not like we're going to be dealing with a blast of Arctic air or some raw winds by any means. It'll be a fairly gentle breeze. And tomorrow looks like a pretty decent day as well, just minus a few degrees from where we stand today. Cooler for the weekend. We'll be closer to 40 instead of 60. I think we can handle that. We'll be okay. It's November. We expect that. There'll be shower chances next week, especially on Tuesday. Looking at what we're facing this time of the year. 39 would be today's typical high temperature, 30-year climate average. Today's record 68. We're in between, looking at highs close to 60 itself. And over the next several days, what would be typical 37, we're going to be around 40.1. That'll be the average of our forecast of the next 7 days. So a little closer to average, in some cases a little better than that, but thin clouds right now just ahead of that cold front. High pressure is going to come in from the west, making for a bright and pleasant Friday and Saturday. 59 today's high will ease back into the 40s tonight with a diminishing breeze out of the northwest. Sunset today at 4:40, and maybe have the camera ready in case there is another gorgeous sunset. I suspect that may be the case. 40s this evening. 30s tonight, mid-30s. That's not still that cold for this time of the year. So because of that relatively mild start to tomorrow morning, 30s instead of 20s, we'll still manage to have a slightly warmer than average day with those 40s instead of upper 30s. But here's that front moving through. Showers to our north. We will stay dry. Tonight, generally clear. Tomorrow, plenty of sunshine ahead of that high pressure. Winds out of the northwest around 10 to 15 miles per hour. And that high pressure sticks around for Saturday. A little cooler, but still relatively calm winds. Showers southwest. They come in first thing Sunday. May see a spotty shower in the morning around 8 or 9 o'clock, maybe even a flurry mixing in, but those high temperatures not too far from what we expect this time of the year, right around 40 for the weekend. So showers Sunday, better chance Tuesday. That may start very early Tuesday as snow, maybe minor coating before we see rain in the rest of the day. 59 today, though, partly sunny, breezy and warm at times, 15 to 18 mile per hour winds. Lighter breeze tonight, mainly clear, and 35 with west winds. And then tomorrow, northwest winds around 15 miles per hour. Sunny and more seasonably cool. 7-day forecast, we are looking at a more seasonable weekend, more November-like. In other words, snow, then rain on Monday night and Tuesday. And by Thanksgiving, some sunshine and low 40s. And that looks terrific for this time of the year. Ted's Trivia. On this date, in 1863, Abraham Lincoln delivered the Gettysburg Address. How many months after the actual Battle of Gettysburg?
Was it B?
It's actually July 1st to 3rd, 1863. So about 3.5 months actually after the actual event. It was early July of 63. And at that time, sadly enough, they were still burying some of the war dead when he came in for that address.
Oh, says a lot there. Thank you, Ted.